Hello.
Like this.
Namaste. How are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from KL, Kuala Lumpur, Nasi Pandan.
Yeah, thank you so much that I came here in Malaysia and I saw you. And tell us how long you are doing cycling, my brother.
I start cycling when I form 1. Then I stop at form 3. Then I start cycling this year.
This year.
I continue cycling this year.
And how great you are studying?
I'm just still newbie. Then I didn't get more skill.
Good. Do you know about Nepal?
Nepal, yes, I know just a little bit.
Yeah, thank you. And can I put this conversation in my YouTube?
Yes. Can.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Okay.
Hello, brother. How are you?
Yes, I am fine.
Yeah, can I know your name?
My name is Dennis, but you can call me Nish.
Nis. Your name is Nis.
Yes.
And how long you are doing cycling, brother?
I'm start cycling when I'm 12 years old.
And you are from?
I am from Kuala Lumpur, Desa Pandan.
December.
Desa Pandan.
And do you know about Nepal?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, thank you and welcome Nepal, and we will do cycling together.
Yeah.
And then you come when you finish your this and tell us like I'm a peaceful rider.
Yeah.
And please like, subscribe and share with your friend. Can I put your conversation in YouTube?
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
Thank you, brother. See you. Take care.
Thank you. Like this.
Yeah, this.
Oh.
No, this. Yeah, come. Yeah, come. Yeah.
Okay, freestyle. Tengku Abdul Rahman.
Yes. Camera, because due to camera.
Okay, nice. Oh, dia payung. Uncle, I want to join. Now. One more.
Yeah.
Jom. Sampai memang tahu. I'm from Malaysia.
Depan dia bagi mat.
WhatsApp Marty.
Come to Malaysia, come to Malaysia.
Come to Malaysia.
Come to Malaysia.
Yeah, guys, it's allowed to put all video in YouTube.
Yes.
Yes.
Patutnya rakam di support tadi bagi bapak dia tengok. Tiba-tiba aku berlayar.
Okay.
Jom. Ramah Daniel mana? Kita nak gerak ni.
Can you record me?
Okay, uncle.
Like before?
Cuba flag.
Yeah.
Seorang.
Okay, one more.
Yeah.
Flag.
Nice tu.
Asal kau tak ni sikit sampai one more bila tak lagi. Oi. Baru masuk kamera.
Aku accident bodoh.
Presiden.
मलेसियामा चाहिँ यो भाइहरूसित भेट भयो जो चाहिँ साइकल गर्दै थियो होइन अनि त्यो चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ 12 बजी ठ्याक्कै 12 बज्यो अब हामी पनि लाग्छौँ होइन अब 12 बजिसकेपछि अब यहाँ चाहिँ लाइटहरू सबै बन्द हुन्छ त्यही हिसाबले नमस्ते इज भिडियो इज प्रमिस टु गेट आई क्यान पुट इन युट्युब यस
Yeah, sure.
यस
Yes.
यस
Yes.
या
Lil Nish. Follow IG Lil Nish. Tetap. Yeah.
एन्ड मलेसियन ल्याङ्ग्वेज से
Yes. Korang boleh datang kat Malaysia. Sebab Malaysia ni banyak tempat pelancongan yang best. So makanan pun sedap.
Sedap.
So enjoy.
Paling sedap dekat Meksu lah, Blok A5. Okay, mantap. I love Nepal.
यस थ्याङ्क यू
Yeah.
I love bro.
थ्याङ्क यू
I love you bro.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Nak ada bapa.
Sorry.
Dah ada bodoh. Tak ada apa.
अलि चाहिँ लाइट पनि छैन कोलालम्पुर देखिन्छ र यो अब 12 बजिसक्यो 12 बजिसकेपछि यहाँ चाहिँ बत्ती अफ गर्यो यो चाहिँ दुईटा खोला छ दुईटा खोलाको सङ्गमलाई चाहिँ कोलालम्पुर यो मस्जिद छ थ्याङ्क यू